Well, a lot of work just to get set up every night for this stuff. Not too bad though. Not too bad. Yeah, I know, I'm talking to myself. Always talking to myself. Will we reach? Question of the day. Of course you're unplugged. Why wouldn't you be?
Now, if we got to do this 3 boards at a time, I'm all for it, just to get this done. I had to chamfer the edges of these boards so I could slide them up under the layer of sheathing that comes from above. And so far, so good, I think. As long as I can get all the crap out of my way. There we go. Cool. What's the most annoying sound in the world? Sound of an impact. But you can't argue with how well they work, that's for sure. I've been out in the hayfield a lot lately. You know, you guys saw we got most of the field behind us picked up and baled up. And the whole time I'm out there in the tractor looking at the back of this building, it was driving me nuts, all the boards that are missing on the backside. It's like, yeah, it's time to get this done. It was making me crazy. Still got to get the rest of this pile cleaned up, that's for sure. Let's get number 3 on. And we get the top row screwed on. Oh, I gotta love those Amish sawyers. little more done. Well, a few more boards on tonight, quite a bit of cleanup done. So hopefully we'll see how much we can get done this weekend. I'm on call this week, so who knows what tomorrow will bring. I could be gone all day. Might be I won't get anything. Sunday, same thing, could be gone all day. So we are down to, what's going on in our world? We're down to about 100 round bales left to get for winter. I think this year we're going for 500. I thought we were going for a little less, but father-in-law says we need 500 this year, so I only need about 120 down here. We got to take the rest up there. They're 1,100 pound bales, 5x5s. But yeah, we've had a couple breakdowns last few days. We've gotten those taken care of, and then the rains hit. You guys saw at the opening of the video that thunderstorm that rolled up the St. Lawrence here behind us. That was pretty cool to watch. It's neat when they come across here because it's the St. Lawrence River behind us here. Canada's right on the other side. And you can watch those storms march right up that river. I mean, a mile away it could be torrential downpours and we'll be getting nothing here. Bright sunshine, what have you. Really neat to watch, and with the wide open view we have back here, oh, they're just beautiful to watch. The camera never does it justice, but we tried to get some footage of it. But a few more boards on. We got a few more to go, a couple doors to make. By winter we should be pretty well closed in. Obviously we have a lot of sealing up to do, but my main concern is just getting the sheathing layer on this year. And then we'll plug away at siding as we can. I still haven't decided. I'm probably just going to end up going with a layer of tar paper and then another layer of 1x10 boards, maybe battens on top of those. I don't care for the narrow battens. Just on the seams, every board and batten building I've ever seen with the narrow bats, every one of them I've ever seen has leaked water through, and I just don't want that here. Once I finally get this thing totally dried in, it needs to be totally dried in. I mean, it's going to be a long time before, and we're not really getting any water damage right now, so we're lucky that way, but the cracks are wide enough. If we get a good wind and a good snowstorm, we get a lot of it sifts through into the building, and that we really want to take care of. Not that it's going to kill anything, but at the same time, I didn't build this building to come out here to shovel snow once I had it closed in, so we got to keep going on that. But we just get done what we can get done as we can do it. If you guys have been following since the beginning, you'll notice that every spring and summer, we don't get a lot done on this project. And that's simply because in the summertime around here, it's all about the farm and everything else is kind of secondary. I don't show a lot of the farm videos because, to be honest with you, they just plain don't do very well. And unfortunately, if you have a channel, you do pay attention to your view counts. It is pretty important to you, especially if you're trying to make a little extra doing it. So you try not to put stuff out there that's just not going to do very well, because it actually drags everything else down for you on your channel. So not that you guys care about that, but that is something I pay attention to. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're just kind of plugging away, doing what we can do. So see you guys next time.